During India's freedom struggle, Gujarati poet Jhaved Chand Meghani turned his words into weapons. His first meeting with Mahatma Gandhi under the neem tree in Phoolchhap, Botat changed his life forever. Gandhi was so moved by Meghani's patriotic compositions that he honored him with the title of national poet.
સિંધુડો છે એને જપ્ત કરવામાં આવેલો તો એને સાયક્લોસ્ટાઇલ કરીને પણ લોકો સુધી એમના ગીતો પહોંચ્યા. ગીતો દ્વારા આઝાદી મેળવવા માટેનો એક સંગ્રામ ઊભો કરનાર આ રાષ્ટ્રીય શાયર ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણીને બીજું તો શું કહું પણ સો સલામ કરવી પડે ને.
This meeting proved to be a turning point in Meghani's life. He became fully committed to India's freedom movement. On April 28, 1930, the British, alarmed by his influence, charged him with sedition. A special court was convened in Dhanduka rest house where Meghani recited his famous composition, Chheli Prarthana. The magistrate was so deeply moved that tears filled his eyes.
ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણીના જીવન અને કાર્યથી પરિચિત પ્રેરિત થાય તે આશયથી ગુજરાત સરકાર અને અમે ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણીના વિવિધ સ્મૃતિ સ્થળોને વિકસાવી અને ત્યાં સ્મારકની સ્થાપના કરીએ છીએ.
His famous work Sindhudo became a beacon of revolution, leading the British government to ban it. On April 29, 1930, Meghani was sentenced to imprisonment and sent to Sabarmati jail. Even behind bars, his pen never rested. In recent years, the Gujarat government has preserved Meghani's legacy by developing the National Poet Jhaved Chand Meghani Circuit in Dhanduka at a cost of ₹5 crore. The circuit brings alive the history of the Dholera Satyagraha, Dhanduka Court and Sabarmati Jail through sculptures, rare photographs and exhibitions. The complex features the Gandhi Darshan Corner, Meghani's Literature Corner, a library and the historic Neem Tree Meghani Otla. A theme park inspired by Charan Kanya celebrates folk culture and promotes women's empowerment.
ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણીએ સિંધોડો કાવ્ય લખ્યું હતું. તેમાં દેશભક્તિને જગાડનારા કાવ્યો લખ્યા હતા અને તેથી જ તે અંગ્રેજોએ તેમને જેલની સજા કરવામાં આવી હતી.
Meghani's literature and his sacrifices remind us that history can be shaped by words. The Dhanduka Memorial narrates the immortal saga of India's freedom struggle.